how to fix your Valorant graphic settings. You'd be able to change your graphic settings from the NVIDIA app as well. You can simply open your NVIDIA application, and here you can simply select Valorant over here, tap on settings inside your Valorant, and you'd be able to select your performances and your graphic settings over here as well. Once you have made any kinds of changes, you can simply tap on update over here to update the application. However, what you can also do is you can simply open the Valorant game over here, and inside your Valorant game you can simply go to your settings, and inside your settings you'd be able to find your video option, and inside video as well you'd be able to select your display mode, your resolutions, your monitor, your aspect ratio as well. However, if you want to go to graphics quality, you'd be able to see all kinds of graphics options over here as well. You'd be able to make your changes over here, and once you have made your changes, you want to simply tap on apply over here, and by doing so you'd have successfully made or applied your settings over here as well. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.